today. Okay, so this one's going to be for the first floor, this one's going to be for the second floor, and this one's going to be for the third floor. Okay, don't laugh when I draw like that. Okay, now what we need, I said before, we're going to need a step down transformer. Okay, so should I put over here thermostat? Let's write down over here thermostat so people know got some kind of idea. Little bit sloppy there, but it's okay. So we're gonna do a step down. Step down. Step down transformer over here. 40 VA. Well, we talk about that later, okay? A little drawing over here would be like something square like this. What are ugly transformers that are? You get 120 coming this way, and 24 both going down this way. So you guys remember, this is going to be a transformer over here. So for this design, what do we need? Okay, we do installation. We design this wiring load, wiring voltage. We got a house with 3 floors. We need 3 thermostat, which already we got it, 3 thermostat. Okay, you got to do planning when you design a house with how do installation. Okay, how many floors, how many this, and you take it from there before you go to the user start working the job. You line out everything that you need. Okay, this one over here could be a real fancy thermostat, you know, 5,000, 6,000. But in this case, I'm going to be working with it just typical thermostat, 287, T87. I don't know if it's just still making or not. But anyway, okay, and this is over here will be 120. Going this way. Okay, and 24 volt. So you got some people now going this way. Step down transformer. Okay. So what do we need? Circulators. You know what? I'm gonna use sun belt. Honeywell sun belt. You know, the square one. I'm gonna do it right quick. Run over here. This is one. This is two. This is good. Again, guys, this is a typical design of which is a heating system up in the northeast. Okay, this is pretty much basic stuff where a system could be set up. Okay, so we got it energized. We got it. Let's go. Let's back up a little bit over here. Okay, this typical sun belt. We'll have 4 wire, 2 yellow, 2 red. Same thing over here. Pretty much the 4 wire coming out on one side will be 2 red, 2 yellow over here. Okay. Now keep in mind, guys. I know there's a bunch of teachers up there. They get mad at me and this and that. Why you doing that? Why you teaching people that? Why you that? But keep that in mind, guys. This is what I'm doing over here. When you buy either a thermostat or a brand new thermostat or a sun belt, Honeywell sun belt, sometimes even the transformer, when you open that box, inside you will see the schematic powder wire. A lot of those schematic will be something like this one over here, like I show you now, a quick reference. So it's not that I'm making this stuff out, okay? It's there for you to see it, okay? I strongly recommend it to get a qualified technician, licensed technician to do your install. Again, but it's something that is not that hard to do it. Just a couple of practice over here, like what I'm doing now, and you should be able to handle this. But I strongly recommend it when you start working this type of wire and stuff like that. I strongly recommend it to get a professional to do it. But in the meanwhile, let's have some fun over here. Okay, what do we need? We need a control. It's called Aquastat control. Triple Aquastat. In this case, we could use 8182E, which will have L1, L2, which 120 will come over here to this thing, and you will have that control will have inside the control T and T, and the bottle should be okay. And like I say, we're going to design today's design is going to be about low voltage wiring. Okay, so the high voltage wire, we're going to leave it to the electrician. Okay, a licensed electrician is going to come in and going to do. A lot of people to do it. When you got to have a license when you deal with high power voltage. Okay. What else do we need for this design that I'm doing today? We got the thermostat. It's up on the screen. You can see it up in the right corner. And the bottom there, you see the Honeywell Sunbelt for water coming out. On the left corner, we see the transformer there, and the bottom will be the control. This control, pretty much the brain over here. This will be set up in your unit, either gas unit, oil, boiler, whatever it is. This is a control. Will be then over here with the transformer, all kind of fancy stuff, little switches. This is what's set on the unit. Typical. This over here high voltage. We don't want to get into that. We just, out of this control, we're just going to work with T and T over here. That's it. Which will be the low voltage wiring. Okay. Now, let's start over here wiring the thermostat. You could do both ways. You could do the thermostat first, or you could do the TNT, the end switch first. So, you know what? Let's start with the end switch. Let's start with the end switch. So, end switch over here. It doesn't matter which wire you will use. Okay. But I don't want to get people confused. I'm gonna switch. Basically, that's what you should do. So, stuff, huh? Okay, I guess. Okay, well, again, what we're doing, we just wire the switch. The switch. We're gonna go around this, connect it over here. I'm going around this and connect it over here. Okay, so we did the end switch is wired already done. So this will be the 2 red wire and the Honeywell's on. All right, so they go right back to DNT, to the control. Okay, now let's wire the thermostat. Okay, so I'm gonna drive a straight line, so it's easy for me to do. Right, so I'm gonna wire the thermostat. I want to power the thermostat. Our low voltage wire are coming out. It's feeding the all 3 thermostats. The first floor, the second floor, and on the 3rd floor. Now, we need 2 wiring coming over here. I'm gonna draw another line. I'm gonna draw another line over here, all the way across. And then we're gonna wire how you guys are working with this thing over here. All right, so now we're gonna wire thermostat. Come over here. I'm gonna have to use the man this one, so I'm gonna have to go around this thing. Go around here. This one. Here, around here. So that's it, guys. This is the way a low voltage is designed.